Good news for all pizza lovers. Here I am sharing a perfect pizza recipe that can be cooked in just 2 minutes with only a few ingredients. So let's start. First add 4 tablespoons plain flour or maida in a mug. Next, put 1/8 teaspoon baking powder in it. Then add 1/16 teaspoon baking soda. Finally, put a pinch of salt in the mug. Mix. Now, start adding the wet ingredients. First, add 3 tablespoons milk. Following it, add a tablespoon of white oil or olive oil. Mix thoroughly. Now, evenly spread 2 tablespoons pizza sauce over it. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons grated cheese on top of it. Now put your toppings over it. Here I am using chopped onion, capsicum and tomato. Sprinkle some pizza seasoning. Bake it in a microwave. Mine is 800 watt and it takes 2 minutes in it. If your microwave is of higher power, it may take less time. Take it out from the microwave oven after 2 minutes and enjoy it hot. If you love this recipe, then please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And to get regular updates like this, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching it.